Hi, today I'm going to discuss a very out of the way thing, that is positive side, positive aspects of the lockdown or COVID crisis. We all passed through that painful period of lockdown, which was compulsory, then partial lockdown. That's all, which suffered whereby we suffered a lot. The business suffered a lot, the poor, the country, GDP, everything suffered negatively. But I'm going to discuss what we learnt out of it. What was there which was positive during lockdown or during where we suffered this COVID 19 crisis. Some of the aspects are, we all came to know savings is a very good habit. It helped us during that period as business of many went down, it went slow, the jobs were not there. So savings is always a good habit. Now people started thinking innovative. They started thinking out of the box to create new ideas for the business. They thought, it came to know and it is clear that if they don't think innovative, they will die like a commodity. So innovation was at its best during lockdown and during COVID. Then digitization, the online working got promoted. Many companies, the board meetings held online, the meetings. It was felt that there is no need of physical meetings, and it's saved travel and unnecessary expenditure in organizing a meeting and all. Now all the meetings, most of the meetings, the people felt that online meeting is the better way than the physical meeting, and it can also be held successfully. Similarly, the institutions, the government, they held the webinar instead of holding the actual seminars and all. The webinar took over. Now all the institutions like the CA Institute, the CS Institute, they hold webinars where more people can attend, and the number of people are not limited. So in place of seminars, the physical seminars, the webinar has taken over. People started to take the uncertainty as their life. They are accepting the uncertainty. They accepted that yes, uncertain things also can happen. Now it was a time for family. The family bonding got very strong. The family were there for each other. They supported each other. That was there at their best. Now next point is the flora of that of the environment at that time. It was at best. The skyline went clear, and the animals were roaming on the road. The water and river got clear, and they are clean even now. And the good habit which people developed, the using the mask, using sanitizer, washing their hands time to time, and maintaining a social distancing. These are the good habits which the people got during which they actually learned during those lockdown period. And the humanity was seen at its best. All were happy and all were eager to help the poor migrant laborers or poor neighbors. They all, we all were very happy, or we all were very eager to help them, to provide them food or provide them any necessity items. These were the few things which we saw during the lockdown, and which we carried along with us, like the digitization, the online working, the family bonding, which we are carrying. We learned from the lockdown, which we had forgotten, or new things, the innovative ideas, we took it from the lockdown period. That's all about that. Thank you.